Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday. Remember, markets were closed yesterday for Thanksgiving, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that doesn't even made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have been watching the videos in the past, you know, you've heard me talking about 59.60 cents as that area of resistance, but now that the price is finally able to break above it this morning, you can see what happened from there. Got nice continuation through there. So that's going to be the newest ideal level of support. Ideal meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly staying up above 60 cents, but by no means if the price falls below it, does that imply that it's, you know, the overall chart's ruined or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, I've talked about this every video I think I've done on this, but I'm going to continue to because it really does an easy job of just monitoring the overall chart, and that is that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So bottom line, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, however you can best visualize that. So really going into next week, I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance because in my opinion, resistance levels don't matter on this one. Why do I say they don't matter? Well, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing. And what do I mean by that? Well, what has it been doing? Well, it's been doing this. It's been continually chipping away at these higher bases if you picture these as stair steps. So as long as the price keeps on building the higher stair steps in the upwards direction, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So nice week today, and we'll see if the bulls can resume building higher lows or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.